Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming capability. Check that your phone or headset supports Passkey changes, often Bluetooth 4, 0+ or specific OS settings. Once done, bring both devices within 1 to 2 meters and ensure they're charged above 20% to avoid interruptions. You'll also back up or note the current Passkey if visible so you can restore it if needed. These steps remove common blockers and prepare you to access pairing or security menus immediately, because you'll be changing credentials next. You now navigate to Bluetooth settings, find the paired device, and tap Manage or Details. This opens the security options. Next, choose Change Passkey or Repair depending on your platform. Enter a new numeric Passkey. 6 to 8 digits is strong and memorable. Make sure you confirm the same code on both devices. The phones and peripherals must match for authentication. You do this because Bluetooth uses mutual confirmation to prevent spoofing, so synchronized entry completes the credential swap securely. Once you've entered and confirmed the new Passkey, verify the connection by testing the expected function. Play audio, send a file, or check remote controls to ensure the link accepted the new credential. If the device won't connect, clear the pairing list on both sides, restart them, toggle airplane mode off, and then retry. Inconsistent caches often block Passkey updates. You should do a full restart if numbers won't sync, because rebooting flushes cached pair data and resolves most stubborn authentication errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.